Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Diyalicia and this is Alicia. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm here with some DIY that you could do in order to avoid your glasses getting fogged up when you use a mask. So keep watching. I'm going to show you guys 3 different easy and at the same time effective ways to keep your glasses and sunglasses safe from fog. The very first method that I would like to introduce is the usage of surgical tape or band-aids. The band-aids or the surgical tapes are safe to use on your skin as most of them are not made up from the 100% rubber latex. Hence, it will not create any irritation on your skin when you pull off the mask at the end of the day. You gotta first put on your mask. Make sure that the mask fits properly onto your face and pull it up and bend it at the center. Take the band-aid and place it over on top right here and then stick it up thoroughly. Okay, once that's done, you gotta take another one more band-aid, repeat the same process. Go ahead and use your glass. Do you see that? It does not get fogged at all. So this is my number one go-to effective way to prevent your glass and your sunglasses from fogging. And you're done. Moving on to the second and probably the most easiest way to get your glasses safe from being fogged. All you need to do this DIY would be a tissue paper or a paper towel. Take a tissue paper, fold it into half, and then do yet another fold. That's it. Keep this ready. Take your mask, take the inner side of the mask, place this one which has been folded at the top portion which has the metal wire onto the top side, and then you got to take a little bit on top of your mask, okay, and then wear the mask just like the way it comforts you. Give the mask a good bend on top of your nose so that it compresses and everything is in place. Once this is set in place, you gotta wear your specs. Do you see? The specs should come above the tissue paper. This is the second effective way that you could avoid your glasses getting fogged at the same time with no much hazard. Moving on to the third method, I would suggest the baby shampoo. So we gotta make a mixture of 50% of baby shampoo and another 50% of water. Mix it up and keep it in a spray bottle. Baby shampoo is always good, created for really very sensitive skin, and it's very safe and it's not harsh as compared to other liquid soaps. So once you got the mixture ready, 50 water and 50 baby shampoo, all what you got to do is take your specs and give it a good spray. You gotta wash this away in warm water. it to dry, and do not touch it or do not hand dry it with any towel. All what you got to do is wait for it to air dry, or if you're a little impatient, you can definitely go ahead and use the air dryer. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys, and do definitely try out these hacks and tips and DIYs, and do let me know if it really works for you guys just like the way it works for me. So hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Until then, you take care, stay safe. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button, and it's absolutely free. So I will definitely keep posting more new DIYs, new videos every week. Bye.